Tappet clearance. Tappet clearance, also known as valve lash, is the carefully measured gap between the rocker arm and the top of the valve stem. It allows for the metal to expand safely as the engine reaches operating temperatures, ensuring the valves seal completely to prevent compression loss and overheating. It is critical for engine efficiency, allowing for thermal expansion and proper valve seating. Clearances typically range from 0.20 mm to 0.60 mm, depending on your vehicle specifications. Why clearance matters? Too tight. The valves may fail to close completely. This leads to overheating, burning of the exhaust valves, backfiring, and catastrophic loss of engine power. Too loose. Creates a prominent tapping or hammering noise. It also delays valve opening and closing, resulting in poor timing and reduced performance. Common tappet clearance values. While exact numbers vary strictly by the engine's make, model, and manufacturer, typical guidelines include: inlet intake valve. Generally set between 0.15 mm to 0.40 mm, 0.006 in to 0.016 in. Exhaust valve. Generally set between 0.20 mm to 0.60 mm, 0.008 in to 0.024 in.